How to change or add a picture of your server easy and fast on Discord. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add or change your Discord profile picture easy and fast. First thing, go to Discord and now choose your server. For example, this is my server right here, and click on those three dots right here in the top corner, and now click on the settings option right here, and it will take you to this page. Now right here you will find many options. You need to choose the first one right here, overview. Click on it, and here you go. Now from here you can change your profile, your uh, server profile picture easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later, and thank you so much.